This is Ward C. Women and children. Terrible things have happened to all of them. Hello, Nour. Salam, Nour. Sonnet. There's a little girl with a very big smile. Gosh, that's very shocking. Khalid does just said, yeah, look what Daesh do, look what ISIS do to a little girl. Her lower left leg has 6 or 7 steel pins in it. This happened to Nour when she was out playing in the garden of her home in Kayara, which is south of Mosul. And a mortar bomb landed in the garden.